Good evening, friends. Welcome to our channel Econo Finance Insight, your one stop solution where we are simplifying the economy and finance related concept. Today, we are going to talk about a much discussed topic, that is GDP. You must have heard this word GDP, but what this GDP is and why it is so important and how many types of GDP basically are, these things we are going to discuss in this video. So let's dive in to understand the GDP in a detailed way. So GDP stands for gross domestic product, and if we can define it, the definition of the GDP is the total value of goods and services produced in a country within a country's boundary during a specified period is known as GDP. That specified period is usually 1 year, is known as GDP. Now, why this GDP is so important? Because by GDP you can compare the economy, and if your GDP is going upward, that means your economy is in good shape. And on the basis of GDP, the government is taking the call that which type of policies to be implemented. And if you are having the GDP of various countries, you can compare the countries. So that is the utmost importance of the GDP. Now let's understand the GDP in a simplified way. A farmer is producing wheat, and this wheat, by this wheat, a manufacturing company is converting this wheat into biscuit, and this biscuit is ultimately sold by the retailer. So the finished good, that is final product biscuit, total value of this biscuit will be known as GDP. So GDP is the total value of goods and services produced in a country within the specified period is GDP. Now let's talk about the different types of GDP. Basically there are two types of GDP. First is nominal GDP and second is real GDP. Now what is this nominal GDP? When we are not taking into account the inflation, that is what is the nominal GDP. But when we are netting down the inflation by the GDP, then it is known as real GDP. So that's it about the GDP, its importance and types of GDP. I hope I am able to deliver the content in a way so that you are able to understand, and for such kind of content please stay tuned and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you, my dear friends. Thank you.